Hey y'all, what's chilling, what's popping, how you doing, how's your family? Okay, so today in this video I am going to be sharing with you 11 simple tips on how to make money as a teenager or a student wherever you are, both online and at the comfort of your homes. So if you want to know how to make money and you are a teenager or a student, I would definitely suggest you stay tuned to watch this to the end, because one to two things in this video is just for you. So let's get right into today's video. Okay, so hey guys, before we get right into the video, hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bree Nwanze. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, on that like button, turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post new content right here on YouTube for you all, Okay, so without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to the video. Like I said, I'm going to be telling you 11 tips, and the first one is affiliate marketing. Okay, so we'll start off with the meaning of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission by promoting other people's or companies' products. So basically, you just get a product you love, and simply go to the brand or the person and say, hey, I love this product and I really want to share it with my followers with a discount link for myself. So it's as simple as that, or you can join in an affiliate program and sign up. It can be with Jumia, it can be with Amazon, whichever you like. And trust me, you will be making money with any sealed transaction made through your link. So hey, what are you waiting for? Okay, so the second tip I'll be talking about is becoming an entrepreneur. Okay, so an entrepreneur is a person who sets up a business to gain or aim for his or herself. So you can literally just start up a business with as little as maybe 5, 10K, and simply just start aiming. It could be selling of jewelry, selling of clothes, selling of maybe hairs or shoes, wristwatches, bangles, anything at all, home appliances, any simple thing, and you earn from it. It's as simple as that. So hey guys, we'll be talking about the third tip right now, which is brand influencing. A brand influencer is an individual who leverages his or her social media presence to authentically engage and connect audiences and brands together. So in other words, an influencer is a person who has high following on any social media platform, maybe Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Facebook, any social media platform at all. But most of the times you don't need much following. You can literally have just like 3K followers in any platform. All that matters is your engagement and with who engage to your content. You can be having 10K followers and imagine posting a picture and within 1 hour nobody even comments on that picture. So trust me, brands wouldn't want to work with you. But if you have high level of engagement, hey y'all, come on, you can be a brand influencer and earn cool cash. And so the first tip I'm talking about right now is YouTube. Like YouTube, but right here, people. Okay, so YouTube is a popularly known platform for people to share information related to a number of topics or ideas. So basically, I just film a video just like this to reach everyone, to share my ideas, to share my tips, and with a certain amount of time I start making money on YouTube through ads on my videos and all that. So that is one way to earn money. while you even sleep, people. So what are you waiting for? Get out your phones, have a camera, get out your camera and start filming. Okay, so the fifth tip I'll talk about now is graphic design. Okay, so a person who combines text and patterns together to advertise for magazines or books is known as a graphic designer. So if you have experience in this field, like you are good and you learned this kind of work, you can easily just start by building your own fan base, get people to reach out to you, and you reaching out to people doing designs for them. It could be logos, it could be brand YouTube banners, flyers for adverts, and all sorts, and you'll be cashing out big time. Graphic designing is one major thing that no one can do without. So trust me, if you're good and really good in this field, you will be richer than so the sixth tip I'll be talking about now is podcast. Like, who would have thought it? Okay, so basically a podcast is an episodic series of spoken words, digital audio files that users can download to a personal device for easy listening. So basically, if you think you can't own up to a camera and talk to people sharing your advices, a podcast is one place to go. Like, we won't even know how you look like except you take a picture or something as your icon, your banner, your page. Except you do that, we won't even know how you look like, the color of your face, what you like doing. You just have to sit down and record yourself talking and sharing information, and brands reach out to you to place adverts on your show and you make good money. Like, you don't even have to wait for a long time or a long period of time. Regarding you have much listeners, brands can reach out to you even in a week. So what are you waiting for? Start doing. Seventh tip I have for you is hairdressing. Hairdressing, you make money from hairdressing, literally. So if you are talented or you learned something related to this field and you are really good at what you do, you can sell wigs, you can do hairs for money, and you are in school, you're a student, you're a teenager, wherever you are, you can simply just make your friend's hair, your friend takes it out. Oh, my friend did it for me. Oh my god, really? How much? And they will want to make their hair with you. Like, I actually do learn hair making in school, and I also make money from it just with learning. I've not even started, I'm just learning. So what are you waiting for? Make yourself productive and get something doing right now. Okay, so the eighth tip I have for you is being a makeup artist. Ooh. Everyone loves that glam. So likewise, hear me. If you have learned something or you have passion towards this field, trust me, you will cash out big, because we all go to occasions, we have friends go to occasions, we are in school and we have events in schools, prom and all that. So trust me when I say you will cash out big time in this field. So if you have the skill in this field, don't slack and start cashing out. Okay, ninth tip I have for you all right now is being a baker or a chef. Either way, okay, being a baker or a chef. Starting a food business is one of the small business ideas that can be pretty involved for students or a teenager. But trust me, if you have passion for cooking, it wouldn't be too hard, because you can earn from it, earning from something you have passion from, it's like a plus. So you can easily do small chops or prepare little packaged foods and you sell it, or basically you can run an order for delivery or for you cook kind of stuff and they pay first. It's like literally the in thing. Like, I have so many friends doing this right now, and trust me when I say it's a really big business and you'll cash out big time soon. And the 10th tip I have for you all is blogging. Blogging, simply publishing your passions, knowledge, experiences, or latest news out there to people. That is literally what blogging is. If you are good with writing or composing context, or you have the zeal and the passion to learn how to, then you really need to start blogging. Because once you have a really high amount of trusted readers and viewers who come time to read your posts, then you can actually monetize your blogging with ads popping up in your blogs and all that. You can aim for that, trust me. Which is the 11th tip on my list, is a telecommunication business. Woo! Like, people look down on this business. Like, they literally do look down on this business. It's a really good business. Even though the profit ain't that much from in it, but with time you can, if you're really good at saving, okay, you can actually see a lot of money from here, because there's no individual in this world right now, even if it's a small phone or a smartphone, we all have a phone or a satellite dish in our homes, whereby someone who wants to charge their cable subscriptions, their mobile airtime, their call cards. So you can actually profit from this. Maybe to your family, to your friends. If you can even do a poster and to advertise, get a flyer and all that to advertise, trust me, you will aim big time from this. Okay, so I actually do this business, and if you want to know how to get started with this, you can just DM me and my Instagram handle down there, and you can just message me and I'll just give you a quick link on how to get started. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you saw something inside that can get you started for this period, because we got to get that dough like dark. Okay, so I really hope you guys took some really good tips, and if you watched to this point, wow, you will surely make millions. Okay, so without further ado, I have to say bye, and I'll see you next Thursday when I drop a new video.